Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background music player to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we are going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put the link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you're on Elfsight, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the audio section, and right down here you'll see the background music. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you are looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, just go ahead and click Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 4 tabs here, which are Tracks, Layout, Player, and Style. In the Tracks tab, you can add background music by clicking Add Tracks, then choose the source from this option. In my case, I will upload a track that I downloaded from Pixabay. Click Upload Track, click Browse Files, choose the track, and click Open. And wait until the track is fully uploaded. After that, you can add the title, name of the artist, and also cover image. Click Done once you've done adding the track. Then you can click this 3 dots button if you want to add it or delete the track. And you can also change the order of the playlist by clicking and holding any track like this and dragging to any position that you want. After that, let's move on to the Layout tab where you can choose whether to use the floating layout or the embed one. If you choose the floating layout, you can set the positions here, whether it is in the top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right. You can also give the visitors of your website options to minimize or close the background music player by enabling this option, and set the time to show this widget again. Next, let's move on to the Player tab where you can choose the player controls by choosing what buttons that you want to be displayed. For example, you can see the buttons here. There are Previous and Next, Play button, Volume, and Playlist. So if you want to add Shuffle and Loop buttons, you just have to check these boxes like this. I like to keep the default one, so I will uncheck this, but you can add them if you want to. Then you can explore other player controls here and also enable autoplay feature and manage the playlist. Lastly, you can go to the Style tab where you can customize the design of your background music player by choosing the color scheme, accent color, and font. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in the new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on the green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the videos, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. After that, click Add Elements. Go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update. After that, you can adjust the size of this widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. Then just place it in the position that you want. Since this is a floating widget, we have to make sure that it stays visible as we scroll. So you can pin this widget to the screen by right-clicking your widget and choose Pin to Screen. You can drag these buttons to adjust the positions of the widget. As you can see, the widgets stay visible as we scroll. Another thing that I want to add is how to change the font of this widget without going back to Elfsight. So here, I have a personalized code that I will share with you in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click the widget, and choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line, and paste the link by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update to see the changes. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a background music player on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.